A ballistic missile launched from Yemen aimed at Israel has taken an unexpected turn, landing instead in Saudi Arabia. This incident raises serious questions about Yemen's missile reliability and the Houthis' strategic intentions. Analysts suggest technical malfunctions could be to blame, highlighting vulnerabilities in their operations. With Saudi Arabia already facing security threats, this misfire adds another layer of tension in a region fraught with conflict. The implications are significant, as collateral damage and potential escalation loom large. Yemen's prolonged conflict continues to ripple through the Middle East, reminding us how interconnected these geopolitical issues truly are.